On 1st July 2026, we celebrated Doctor's Day. Students of class 5 played a theatrical play on the theme Who Heal the Healers. When patient party engaged in vandalism, it is frustrating to the doctor when he were trying to help the patient but failed.